Here we are looking at the 1928 Packard Roadster. Beautifully restored in Packard blue with nice red pinstripe, spotlight, Packard motometer, golf bag doors, big disc wheels, rumble seat, rear mounted spare, which I especially like. There are the two steps for the rumble seat. And the rumble seat itself. Just a striking car. Got the stone shield on the radiator. Let's take a look at the interior. Beautiful matching leather. Excellent steering wheel, excellent gauges, dash, wood graining, hinged mirror, and excellent topos. Wow, this is great. Okay, we are going to start the car and take it for a drive. We do by turning the key, make sure it's in neutral, and hit the button down there. Starts and runs real nice. Really a sweetie. There we go. And here's the engine, Packard 6-cylinder, 288 cubic inches. So when you stop and think about it, that's as big as some of the 8-cylinder cars of the same era or from the 30s. So, and it has a lot of grunt. I mean, this car has plenty of power, rolls along at 50, no problem. And you know, peppy and fun to drive. And obviously correctly detailed in there. It's the intake and exhaust side. We've got the Telco distributor and the vacuum tank, and very nicely porcelainized exhaust manifold, and combination exhaust and intake. Air valve carburetor, correct for this car, and it's the oil filler, and honeycomb radiator. So that's, you know, this is all very, very nice and authentic. Beautiful, beautiful. And we'll take another walk around here. A delightful car. The reflection, the bodywork and paint is very high quality. It's definitely tip-top. Everything fits nicely. It's really great. Chrome is all beautiful. Yep, a great looking car. A great looking car. Full classic, by the way.